Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you a super duper easy hairstyle that I like to call my pinup princess hairdo. And I like to do this hairstyle when I am in a hurry or for every day. It's super easy and I would like to share it with you gals. To achieve this hairstyle, you're going to be needing the following: bobby pins, a hair tie, a hair rat tail comb, a hairbrush, a smoothing brush, hairspray, grooming spray, pomade, hair serum, and of course your favorite hair accessory. I will be using the 4-in-1 headband. And let's get started. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to part my hair to the side, and what I like to do is, for my guide for where I part it, is at the arch of my eyebrow. And then I'm going to part it again. And for the other side, the same thing. I like to use the arch of my eyebrow as the guide. Doesn't have to be precise, just as long as I get a little square. Then I'm going to get the front of my hair out of the way and just clip it down. And I'm going to get a little bit of the Suavecita Pomade, and then I'm going to put my hair up in a ponytail. And I also like to grab a little bit of the Suavecita grooming spray because it's not super sticky, so I don't want to put any hairspray in it just yet, but just enough so I can tame down any of the extra little flyaways. Then I grab my hair tie. I will brush it out. And prior to this, there's no hair product in my hair. I just washed my hair. Then I get a little bit of the Suavecita serum because my hair gets a little bit frizzy. So I like to make sure that it's nice and smooth. Okay, once I've done that, I'm going to leave that alone, and I'm going to go back to the front and I'm going to tease my hair. So I'm going to section it off. Once I start teasing, I am just going to go down. So you go down, 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 down. Then I like to spread it out a little bit. And I'll go ahead and use some hairspray. And then I move on to the next section and do the same thing. Then what I'm going to do is get this brush. I like this brush because it's supposed to smooth away any teasing, but without messing up what you just created. Then I'll get a little bit more of the grooming spray. And then I'm going to, with 2 fingers, wrap it around my 2 fingers, then bring it forward and then roll it up. And then I'll grab some bobby pins. Sometimes when your hair is freshly washed, obviously it doesn't want to do what you want it to do. So with a little help of the clip, I like to section it off so it kind of holds and creates the little swirl. And then I'll go ahead and continue and put in a couple more bobby pins. Then you're going to section off your ponytail in 4. So grab the first, and again the little smoothing brush. And then I like to, with 2 fingers again, roll it around my finger, and then you're going to roll it in till it creates this little, you can see. And then I'm going to stick bobby pins in it. I like to put 2 on each side, but if you have those bigger bobby pins, that totally works. And then I'm going to grab another section, and I will repeat and do the same thing. And then what I like to do is go back and kind of spread out and tuck in any little hair that's sticking out. And then I'll go ahead and spray it down with the hairspray. You're ready to accessorize. I'm going to go ahead and grab my 4-in-1 headband, and I'm just going to slide it over. And I like to wear mine a little to the side, so I'm just going to go ahead and move the bowl over a little bit. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. See you gals till next time. Bye.